Okay. I've been having problems starting my car right now with the 350Z, and it didn't want to start. I tried like 10 different times, and it didn't want to start. At the end, I was reading some comments about that it could be some switch, like the lock switch underneath. So I took all this off. Sorry for the mess. I took this off, and all I did was hit the ignition switch. I tapped it here and tapped it here and tapped it here, and then I tried it and it started. But I don't know if it's this ignition switch or something to do with the sensors, or I don't know. So it turned on. I just turned it off a while ago. Okay, I got this key, bought it on eBay. I changed the transponder on it, so I mean it should be working fine. The thing is, everything starts, or wants to start. Let's see if it starts again. I started a while ago. Okay, it started that time. So, like I said, I don't know if it's the whole thing, just the cylinder, this whole cylinder. It's 300 bucks on AutoZone with the smart keys. And like I said, I'm not sure if that's the problem, but if someone knows about it, right now I got it running, so I'm gonna put it back together. Somebody knows if that is exactly the problem, please let me know. Leave me a message on the comments or something, please and thank you.